Today, we are looking at a real estate financing option designed to support business growth in Quebec. This program offers trust loans ranging from $50,000 up to $2.5 million. Financing can cover up to 31.5% of eligible project costs linked directly to real estate assets. This includes the acquisition, construction, or renovation of land, buildings, warehouses, or other operational facilities. Eligibility is focused on organizations with a solid business project based in Quebec. Applicants must present a viable real estate project that supports long-term business operations and economic activity. Projects are assessed on financial soundness, impact, and the ability to complete the investment alongside other financing partners. This solution works well when a business needs to secure or upgrade its physical space but wants to limit upfront capital strain. With flexible terms and significant loan amounts, the program helps businesses anchor their growth in stable, long-term infrastructure. If real estate is a key part of your next growth phase, this financing option is worth a closer look.